Hello my little lovely children, you all are welcome to Dinoworldtv. Today are many animals in the mud ground. There is a very big horse and a very big parrot and many small animals. We all know these animals. If you take them out of this mud and clean them and learn something about them, we will have them. First, farm animals. Duck. Clean this mud by digging it out. Ducks have waterproof feathers due to an oil gland near their tails, allowing them to stay dry while swimming in water. And the next animal you have is the sheep. Let's watch it. Sheep have excellent memories and can remember up to 50 individual faces several years. The next animal you have is the donkey. Let's clear this up too. Donkeys are known for their strong social bond and can form close relationships with other animals, including humans. Now the next animal you have is the antelope. Let's clean it by taking it out of this mud. Antelopes are known for their incredible agility and speed, allowing them to escape predators swiftly in the wild. Now you have the next animal, panda. We also take it out of this mud and wash it. Panda are skilled climbers, often found logging in trees to rest and eat bamboo, their favorite food. And the next animal you have is my dear children, is the hippo. Let's take it out of this mud and clean it too. Hippo are known for their impressive swimming ability, gracefully gliding hot water despite their large size. The next animal you have is the zebra. It also cleans itself by taking it out of the mud. They are herbivorous, primarily grazing on grasses, and they can run at speeds of up to 65 km per hour when escaping for danger. Now the next animal you have is the elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth, known for their immense size, long tusks, and distinctive trunks. They are highly intelligent. The next animal you have is the bear, which is stuck in the mud. Clean it up. Bears are powerful mammals, known for their strength, adaptability, and diverse habits. They are excellent climbers and swimmers. Now you have the next farm animals, goat. Let's watch it. Goats are versatile animals known for adaptability to various environments. They are domesticated from their milk, meat, and fiber. Now the next animal you have is the polar bear. Let's clean it too. Polar bears are magnificent creatures, perfectly adapted to their icy Arctic habits. Now you have the next wild animals. The tiger is stuck in the mud. Let's watch it. Tigers are powerful and majestic animals. Tigers have unique striped pattern on their fur, and no two tigers have the same striped pattern. Now the next animal you have is the friend is camels. Let's clean it by taking it out of this mud. Camels can drink large amounts of water to live in harsh desert environment. Now you have the next animal's friends, a lion, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it too. Lions are majestic creatures known for their strength and pride structure. Lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Now you have the next animals friends. There is a very big horse which is lying in the mud and is stuck. Take it out of mud and clean it. Horses have excellent memory and can remember complex routes and locations even after many years. Now you have the next animal, leopard. Let's clean it too. Leopards are skilled climbers and are capable of carrying prey, twist their body weight up into tree to keep it safe from other predators. Now you have the next wild animals, giraffe, which is stuck in the mud. Let's wash it. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on earth, with long neck that can reach up to 6 feet in length to eat tree leaves. Now you have the next animals, rhinosaurus. Let's clean it by taking it out of this mud. Rhino have thick protective skin that can be up to 1.5 cm thick, providing them with excellent defense against predators and environments. Now the next animal you have is the cheetah. Let's clean it too out of this mud. Cheetah are the fastest land animals capable of reaching a speed up to 60 to 70 miles per hour in short bursts, making them incredibly efficient hunters. Now you have the next bird, a very big parrot. Take it out of mud and wash it. Parrots are highly intelligent birds, known for their ability to mimic human speech and sound from their environments. They are also social creatures. Now the next animal you have is the friends, a dog. We also clean it by taking out of this mud. Dogs are known for their loyalty and companionship to humans. They are often referred to as man's best friend due to their long history of Now the last animal you have the friends is the deer. We take out of this mud and wash it. Deer are grass-food herbivores known for their slender legs, keen sense of smell and ability to jump high fences. Thanks friend for watching the video. See you again and again in the next video. Bye bye.